Mateusz Nunes pro Canal Plus Sport. Mateusz, thank you for your time. I know it must be tough right now. Your feelings?
Very upset. I think we didn't deserve the result that happened today, I would say. Until a certain point of the game, I think we did very well, and then we drop a bit, and then of course in the last 20 minutes, it looks like they play very well. But yeah, that's my opinion, I think, and yeah, now I'm just trying to forget about it and recover and see what we have to do better to try and win the next game.
It looked like you were dangerous from the corners, but Arsenal dominated on the ball. So what was missing, according to you?
What do you mean? You said you think they did better than us on the ball?
I think so.
Well, I don't think so. That's my opinion, and maybe, like I said, in the last 20 minutes, it looked like they were very, very good on the ball. But then that's another thing. I think it's more mental, and yeah, I think we did good.
Okay. When you say momentum, when Haaland scored, it was like you are back in the game. So what went wrong after that?
I mean, then it was really quick, and then they scored the 2-1. But we're still in the game. 2-1 is still in the game. Even 3-1, if we score one goal, then it's 3-2. So I think we just have to. We can't lose the focus and stay balanced in the game. Stay true to what we do normally, because that's what got us here. That's what get us to win every single game. And I think today we didn't do that in certain moments of the game.
Mateusz, thank you for being honest. Thank you.
Veľmi zaujímavé hodnotenie Mateuša Nuneša. Tá prvá otázka smerovala k jeho pocitom. Je sklamaný predovšetkým z výsledku. Podľa jeho názoru až do 3. gólu Arsenalu bol Manchester City stále v zápase a hral dobre, ale záverečných 20 minút jednoznačne patrilo Arsenalu, takže on chce zregenerovať a čo najskôr na tento zápas zabudnúť. Druhá otázka Martina Mihnu smerovala k tomu, že Manchester City hrozil po rohových kopoch, ale Arsenal dominoval na lopte, s čím Mateusz Nunes nesúhlasil. Mohli ste počuť tú reakciu, keď konfrontoval Martina Mihnu, ktorý trval na svojom výroku. A následne Mateusz Nunes povedal, že práve opäť záverečných 20 minút rozhodlo o tom, že sa Manchester City nevrátil do zápasu, pretože podľa neho za stavu 2-1 či 3-1 bol Manchester City stále v hre. A myslím si, že Martin Minha bol na ňo veľmi jemný, pretože ja by som Nunešovi oponoval. Ak si zoberieme ten úsek, o ktorom hovorí on, tak od 55. minúty do 85. Manchester City nevystrelil na bránu.